Father's Day DIY. Building memories through home projects. Father's Day offers a perfect moment for dads to bond with their children by diving into a DIY home renovation project. Start by choosing an age-appropriate task that excites you and your kids, such as painting a room, gardening, or crafting home decor. It's crucial to prioritize safety, use non-toxic materials, and supervise closely, especially when tools are involved. Such activities not only enhance your home but also enrich your family bonds. Document your project with photos or videos to capture these precious moments. This Father's Day, create lasting memories by working together while transforming your space.